So good morning everyone, especially to you ma'am. And this is my final project, which is I will solve this Rubik's Cube. The first step is the first step to this process is my top face is the yellow part and my bottom face is the white part. So first thing to do is make a flower pattern with the white face like this. Like this. So the second part is to match the color of its edges. This. And go to the bottom and the green part here, the orange down and the blue down. So next is the corners like this, blue and red. And I done the bottom face, which is the white face. Second is the east side. Second pattern is to match all the edges. Now done. And then the white and each faces of this one. The green, the orange, the blue one, and the red one. Next is the top face, the yellow. And this is the step to solve this yellow part. And last move is the U-perm. The edges is the not solved, and this is how to solve it. None. And that's how to solve the Rubik's Cube. The blue part, the yellow part, the green part, the white part, and the orange part, and the red part. That's all. Thank you.